What's up, YouTube? This is our toy hauler that I built myself, fully insulated. Made a queen size bed fold down from the wall. Installed some windows. Built some cabinets. Installed a fan. Put some netting up for mosquitoes on the entry door. Right now it's in the sleeping arrangement. Up here we got solar charge controller and the solar battery in the back of the cabinet in the V. The door and the floor is all fully rhino lined. All the trim is composite. Here's the entry door with a window, shades on both windows, full blackout. This is an awning that attaches to the outside of the trailer for when you're boondocking or camping. There's a shore power connection. If you can see under here, there are some tubes back there. Those go to the heating and air conditioning unit. There's also a condensate drain. Small wall-mounted trash can. 2 helmet mounts. This is for when the bed is up and you're hauling your motorcycle. Your front wheel gets chalked in there. Some brackets for holding lug wrench for the tires. There is a spare attached to the rear door. And you can also hold brooms and other things here. This is a doorstep for when you're camping. Here's a clothesline at the rear in case you have any clothes to dry. Roof vent and a fan, as well as a full blackout shade. You have a 12-volt outlet at the rear and also up there at the front. 2 lockable storage bins on the front of the V. Now you can see what it looks like in the travel arrangement. Bed's folded against the wall. There are some latches up here that hold it in place. This is a safety strap. There's the other latch. Now you can better see the HVAC for the heating and air conditioning ducting that folds away. The unit is not currently in here, but it will come with the trailer. Cabinets are all shut. Everything's folded down against the wall. Ready to pull in a motorcycle. Once I get the bike loaded in here, I'll show you what it looks like so you can see how much space there is. This gives you an idea of what the trailer looks like having a bike parked inside. Obviously you could fit like a 4-wheeler or anything else you wanted to transport. Plenty of space all the way around the bike to walk around if you want to. Obviously this is a large touring bike, so it gives you an idea on space. We got some straps on here, here. There are 2 more strapping points back here and back here. Here's a look from the front. Strap there and a strap on the other side, and there's the real chalk